Hi boys and girls, Miss Sarah here, and I wanted us to do some art today. So what I did was I took some paper and I tore it into pieces. And I just took all my pieces and I just tore it however I thought it would be okay. I made some smaller pieces and some bigger pieces, and I took a whole bunch of different colors. But if you don't have any colored paper at your house, that's okay, because you can color it and then tear it into pieces. And that way you can use it. Then what I did is I took all my colored pieces and I took my glue and I glued them to my paper. So I took the piece and I put some glue on my paper, and then I put that piece. And look, guys, I made a truck. I tore my paper to look like circles, and I used my glue to make a square and then put my paper on it. And I made a rectangle and put my paper on it. And I also made a picture of me. Do we look just alike? There's my hair and my eyes and my mouth and my shirt. You can use your scraps of paper to make anything you want to, because you're really smart. And I love you. Have a great day.